All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and should you hire thoroughbreds or donkeys at your shop? Now, recently, Lucas Underwood of Change the Industry podcast posted a Dave Ramsey video of him talking about you should hire thoroughbreds and not donkeys. Now, this analogy is crap, and I'll explain why. The truth of the matter is you very rarely want to hire either. So let's talk about it. You listen to the video or you read what Lucas posted. It's obvious if you know anything about horses, they don't know jack about horses or thoroughbreds. Up until recently, my family owned a retired thoroughbred. My daughter's been riding horses since she's been 10. Not our first horse, probably won't be our last horse. Thoroughbreds are literally the definition of one-trick ponies. They literally can only do one thing. And they may be doing that really, really well. But an example of that is you take a thoroughbred that was trained to run the Kentucky Derby and you put them in a Western style where they have to go around barrels, they're going to do horribly. Or you take that thoroughbred and put them in an English style competition where they have to jump over things, also going to do horrible. A thoroughbred is literally the one-trick pony. They can only do one thing. And you don't want to hire a one-trick pony in your shop, do you? Quickly, let's look at what a thoroughbred technician would be. They'd be good at like diagnostics. But you actually have them fix a car, it'd take them 10 hours to do a 2-hour job. That would be the definition of a thoroughbred. Is they can do something really good, but mediocre at everything else. Now let's talk about the donkey end of it. Now a donkey can do a lot of things decent. They're a good multitask animal. They can haul heavy loads. They can pull carriages. They can do a lot of different things, but they're not the best at doing any of those things. They're not the best pack animal. They're not the best at whatever else you think they do. They're mediocre at all those things. And the fact of the matter is so the analogy is just stupid. You know, I have problems with Dave Ramsey, but that's not what this video is about. The analogy is just horrible because it doesn't meet the criteria of what any business really needs. You know, yeah, if you need a really rock star salesman, maybe a thoroughbred will work for you. That all he does is knows how to sell. But do service riders only sell? No, they have to manage technicians, manage parts inventory, manage getting parts, coordinating getting parts, dealing with customers. That's a multitasker. That's not a unitasker. Same with technicians. Yeah, a thoroughbred R&R guy might be great for that transmission shop. But a guy that can only do R&R, is he ideally suited for an auto repair shop? No. You have to have him diagnosing cars, doing brakes, other non-R&R stuff. He's probably not the ideal candidate for you. So my point of this video is more about stop trying to hire thoroughbreds or donkeys. Hire the right technician for the job you have. And if you happened onto some talent that you don't have a position for, well, maybe you hold on to that resume or figure out a way to hire them, but don't hire a donkey when it's not right for the job. Just like you don't want to hire a thoroughbred when it's not right for the job. Quit worrying about hiring rock stars and hire what your shop actually needs. If you need a kid to change oil, you don't hire a, diagnostic guy. Let's look at it in the shop. You need somebody to change oil on all those waders you keep bringing in. Do you hire a diagnostic guy that's going to not stay there changing oil? No, you hire a kid that's going to change oil. If you need somebody to diagnose cars, you'd hire somebody that diagnoses cars. Hire what's right for the job. Quit worrying about hiring rock stars and look for what your shop actually needs. And it's not a thoroughbred or a donkey. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flatrate Master.